So it's August the 1st. I didn't know this, but it is National Spritz Day. And what better way to celebrate with the iconic Italian cocktail than with a man who knows a thing about cocktails, but also knows a thing about what to pair with a cocktail with cheese when it comes to meat. We have from the Cheese Boutique, Cheese Master, Afrim Pristine.
You're a good man, Tim.
Never been on the show before.
Never. I'm so excited.
This is an honor. We got to do a shout out because you've got some family.
But Cheryl Bull, my mother-in-law from Port Coburn, I love you so much. And like every time I'm over there, the family's addicted to you guys and addicted to the show.
We love it. We love it. We love it. You guys watching.
Niagara region. Here we go.
We love having you on here. Because what are we doing? Because Aperol is a delicious drink. Kind of, I like to have it midday. You know what I mean? Especially in the summer,
Absolutely.
right? There's a refreshingness to it, right?
And think about brunch, right? You're talking about midday. How about a brunch? And today is Spritz Day, National Spritz Day. So what better way to kind of start off a beautiful day with a Spritz, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to put you to work a bit, Tim. Is that all right? So I brought some of my favorites. So I think here, cut a couple of those. So that is like a disco cheese here. This is a 4-year-old Parmigiano Reggiano.
How am I cutting this? Like, how do I do this?
Just rustic chunks. And you know what? So I'm going to lend you my Cheese Master knife, okay? All you do is just make rustic chunks.
We're not doing
Not many people use that knife.
What?
Not many people use that knife. So that's a beautiful aged 3-year-old Parmigiano Reggiano. I'm going to make a Spritz.
You make the Spritz. Because anybody that doesn't know, what goes in a Spritz, Apple?
So really, really classic. Like, it is one of the most, everyone loves a Spritz, right?
Yep.
So 3, 2, 1. All right, here we got some Prosecco. So 3 parts Prosecco. All right, 3 parts Prosecco.
Oh, this knife is sharp. I'm taking it to the
be careful, be careful.
The board here.
So we got our glasses about 3/4 filled with ice. We got 3 parts Prosecco, all right? And Prosecco's gonna give it that beautiful effervescence, right? That crisp flavor. And then Aperol. I love Aperol, right? Made with herbs and orange, rhubarb, beautiful, adds that bittersweet flavor. So 2 parts Aperol, all right? 3 parts Prosecco, 2 parts Aperol, a little bit of club soda here, just 1 part club soda, just to kind of give it a little bit of oomph, all right?
Do we need, are we putting orange in there too?
Please.
Okay, we're just doing a slice of orange?
I love it. I love having you here.
Look at there we go, bud.
This is amazing,
There we go.
Perfect.
Because you put that in there,
That's it.
you do that, and then when you're drinking them, how do you put that in through there?
Just
there
like
you go.
that.
There you go. Because then when it's coming through, then it's coming through the orange.
Absolutely, and when you really that orange is going to give it that beautiful fresh acidity flavor.
Yeah.
Look at that beautiful Aperol Spritz.
Awesome, man.
Okay.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
Okay, so then let's get into the cheese. And what do we pair with this Spritz?
Well, this
what
is
goes
the thing.
well
A
with it?
Spritz screams for flavors like this. We have these beautiful, the Parmigiano Reggiano that you cut up over here.
That's what we're doing.
Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Gotcha. I see what we're doing.
Some beautiful cured meat. So this is a cured beef tenderloin called bresaola. It's really beautiful, very lean as well, and all natural, no nitrates. This is a beautiful Italian-inspired brunch, right? Beautiful flavors. We have some nice for a bit of spice, and try anything you want here, Tim.
Yeah, okay. What's the difference between these two?
So this is Piave is like a cousin to Reggiano.
This is
from different parts of Italy. This is from Veneto. That's from Emilia Romagna. Okay. So, but beautifully aged and super nutty and salty. Okay. We have the spicy sopressata.
We got about a minute and a half left.
All right.
What other cheeses you got there that we can put on there?
Okay, you can cut up that pecorino. A sheep's milk cheese from Tuscany, salty.
Is this
tangy.
rustic too? Are we doing rustic too?
Rustic all the way.
Okay.
All morning we're going rustic.
Rustic.
Some nice prosciutto. Okay. Gonna fly through this now. Here we go. Some nice green olives, some beautiful fresh figs, some nice taralli. These are addictive, almost like a little biscuit. Some nice green grapes.
Look at those little grapes. Look at
Corinthian
those
grapes. A nice little triple cream.
What's that?
Smell that.
Is that truffle pecorino?
You know it is.
Oh my goodness, he brought truffle pecorino! Truffle pecorino! Oh, that's my favorite. That's my favorite.
That's it.
That's my favorite.
What else do you want in life, Tim?
That is a setup. That is the perfect brunch right there.
National Spritz Day.
National Spritz Day. If you don't, the Cheese Boutique is where? I know it's in Toronto.
In the west end of Toronto, just west of Hyde Park.
Yeah, been there for how many?
53 years. I'm blessed. I'm very lucky.
It's an amazing spot, and you've gone from cheese to morphed into so much more, and you presented a wonderful little board there that we will enjoy. What a day it's been on Morning Live. Afrim, so happy to have you here.
My pleasure.
Hi to your family.
Love you guys.
Happy Spritz Day, everybody.
Thank you. Happy Spritz Day.
We'll see you next time. I'm Morning Live. Cheers, cheers.